a mirror simple tutorial of how to mirror text. So if you've got Photoshop CC 2015, you might have different buttons on the side here compared to me in Photoshop. This can work in Word and Paint. So just go to New. Mine's set as custom, but have it like that. That's alright. That's fine. You know, just go do it like that. You can mess about with the settings, numbers, and stuff like that. But what I have and what I use for printing T-shirts is totally fine. So I'll just leave it like that. Okay, lovely. Then you go down to the text tool here. Just click anywhere. Boom. Alright, let's see what we should call it. Oh, change the colour of the text. Let's see, we'll do it in black to just, you know. There we go. J P print. T's. I have that at 100, so you know it comes out really well. So now that's done, you just click on this little square here. There we go. And then what you need to do, you need to click right click, free transform here. Alright, and then just make your design smaller. You can move it about like that. You can have it big. Make sure you don't get it too close to the edge, otherwise that'll cut some of your design off. So I leave about that much. I look like a finger's width away, like that. Alright, and then you can also make it a little bit smaller. And then you right click again, and down the bottom you click flip horizontal. Boom, there you go. So you text first normally, and then you click, once you're done, you click this little square here, and this little rectangular box will appear. You right click anywhere you like that, click freeze transform, mess about with the size, how you want it, text, and all that. And then you obviously click right click again and click flip horizontal, and that'll go back to original if you know